Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the English class children. So now we'll start the sixth lesson, that is health is wealth. Health is wealth. Okay. So okay. Now I'll read the lesson for you. Once upon a time there lived a generous and kind-hearted king. Yet people were not happy with their king because the king was too lazy and he will not do anything other than eating and sleeping. So there lived a king who was very kind-hearted, good at heart, but he was too lazy. So people were not happy with him. He spent days and weeks and months in his bed, either eating something or sleeping. He rarely comes to the court. He almost became inactive. The king became a potato couch and people started to worry about the king. One day he realized that he couldn't even move his body, unable to move his foot. He became very fat and his enemies made fun of him, fatty king, bulky king, etc. He invited specialized doctors from various parts of his country and offered them generous rewards to make him fit. Unfortunately, none could help the king gain his health and fitness. Since the king was very cordial to his fellow people, many suggested renowned doctors to him. So the king, he used to spend in his bed only. Always he used to stay in the bed only, eating or sleeping. That's all. He never used to do anything, any work. He never used to do any work. So he became very fat, and people started making fun of him, saying that he is a fat fellow. He is a fat fellow, like that. So he consulted many doctors. Many doctors came to make him fit, but nobody could do it. He spent enormously, but everything went vain. One fine morning, a holy man, Rishi, visited the region of the king. He heard about the ill health of the king and told the ministers to meet him at his place. When ministers met him, he informed the ministers that he could easily cure the king. Hearing these promising words, ministers became very happy. He requested king to meet the holy man to get rid of the ill health. The holy man resides at a distant place. So, one day a holy man means sage like thing, Rishi will be there na. He came to the kingdom. So he said, I can cure your king. Ante nee king ni me king ni nenu manchi cheyagalugutanu ani he said to the ministers. So ministers very happy, and they told that about the holy man to the king. So since the king couldn't move his body, the fatty king asked the ministers to bring the holy man to palace. But the holy man refused and ordered to come to meet him. So the holy man, he used to stay in a distance place, and a far away place he used to stay. So the king could not move his body. The king was only on the bed, so he could not move his body. He said, please bring the holy man to me, I cannot move. But the holy man refused. He said, the king has to come to me, I will not come, he said. After strenuous efforts, king met the holy man. The holy man encouraged him and said he is good, and very soon the king would gain his health. He asked the king to come to treatment every day from the next day to visit. Also, the holy man told king that he would treat the king only if he comes on foot on his place. So, at last, somehow the king managed to go to the holy man, and when the holy man saw the king, he said, no, nothing is wrong with the king. He can get cured. అంటే మీ కింగ్ మంచిగా అయిపోతుంది, కింగ్ మంచిగా అయిపోతాడు. ఓన్లీ ద థింగ్ ఈజ్ డైలీ నువ్వు నా దగ్గరికి ట్రీట్మెంట్కి రావాలి. డైలీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు కమ్ టు మీ ఫర్ ట్రీట్మెంట్, బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు నువ్వు నడుచుకుంటూ వస్తేనే నేను ట్రీట్మెంట్ ఇస్తాను. ఇఫ్ యూ కమ్ ఆన్ ఫుట్ ఓన్లీ, బై వాక్ ఓన్లీ, ఐ విల్ ట్రీట్ యూ. This is what the holy man said to the king. King was unable to walk even a few steps on the road, but accompanied by his followers, he reached the holy man's place. Unfortunately, the holy man was not available there, and his devotee requested the king to come and meet him next day for treatment. So the king was not able to move, but he వాళ్ళ మినిస్టర్స్ వాళ్ళందరూ ఉన్నారు కదా ఆయనతోటి. సో హీ మేనేజ్డ్ మెల్లగా వాళ్ళతో పాటు నడుచుకుంటూ హోలీ మ్యాన్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. వెళ్తే ఏమైంది అక్కడ ప్లేస్లో హోలీ మ్యాన్ వాజ్ నాట్ దేర్. హోలీ మ్యాన్ వాజ్ నాట్ దేర్. హిజ్ ఫాలోవర్స్ డివోటీస్ విల్ బి దేర్. దే సెడ్ ప్లీజ్ కమ్ టుమారో ఫర్ ద ట్రీట్మెంట్. సర్ ఈస్ హోలీ మ్యాన్ ఈస్ నాట్ దేర్ టుడే. This was repeated for 2 weeks and the king never met the holy man, never had any treatment. Suddenly king realized that he feels a lot lighter, lost considerable amount of weight and felt active than before. He realized the reason why holy man asked him to reach his place by walking. Very soon king regained his health and people are very happy in his kingdom. King had a lot of wealth, but no amount of wealth made him healthy. Health is wealth. So this repeated. The king used to go daily to the holy man's place, but the holy man was not there. This repeated for a few days, 2 weeks or 2 or 3 weeks. So he never met the holy man. Later on one day the king realized that he was very active. He was feeling very active and he lost a considerable amount of fat. So the king understood that the holy man wantedly told him to come on foot and he was not available wantedly, so that he can walk and day by day he can come. So from this lesson what we understood is health is wealth. The king had so much of wealth, but wealth could not give him health. Okay children. So health is to be maintained by the person itself. No wealth can get us health. Health should be maintained. Now we'll write some new words, ma. We'll write some new words. First one, generous. Second one, realize. Third one, kind-hearted. Fourth, loud. Enormously. Rain. Distant. These are the new words, children. And homework, same first bit, you write 2 times. Okay children, we'll continue in the next class. Take care. Bye.